Hello everyone, Marvin and I welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my June and July beauty favorites. So without further ado, let's zoom on in and get into the video. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I am going to be doing my next giveaway very soon once I hit 125 subscribers. So as soon as 5 more of you click that subscribe button, I will announce the giveaway and give you guys more details on what you can do to enter. So can you guys tell that I dyed my hair? Because I'm not 100% sure it looks that much different. Alright, so we are going to do not too many items because honestly I haven't done a lot of beauty in June and July. If you're like me, we're still kind of semi-quasi in quarantine, but I am going to share with you some of the items that I cannot live without, cannot get enough of lately, and hopefully you find something that works for you too, something that you can enjoy at home while we're all in this time of uncertainty. So first I'm going to start with hair supplies. So you guys may or may not be able to tell, depending on if you're new to my channel or not, but usually I have hair that is straight as a board, and I've got a little bit of a curl going. I don't know if you guys can tell, but one of my favorite products lately, now that I have more time at home, I guess, to do my hair a little bit more, I know it makes no sense, more time but less places to go, is this tool right here. Now this one specifically is an ion tool, and this is basically kind of like your old-fashioned crimper. The only difference is it doesn't give you those harsh, jagged lines. It's all very, very rounded like a curler. So essentially you plug this guy in and you just take your strands of hair and you just crimp it pretty much. You hold it for about 15-20 seconds depending on your hair texture, type, and what temperature you have it set at, and you go all the way down and you get something that looks like this. This kind of is what my hair looked like when I was in high school and I did a body perm, so I'm like reliving the fantasy or something like that at this point. So before I use that tool, I do use a heat protectant, but one of my other favorite items from the past couple months is this right here. So this is from Tresemme, and this is what I use after I use that ion hot tool. And this is the Climate Protection Finishing Spray, again from Tresemme. So this is supposed to be a climate control technology with UV blocker. Ooh, fancy. So the reason I like this is it even says on the back, it gives your hair a touchable hold that lasts all day, creating a barrier between your hair and humidity, static, UV rays, and wind. My hair is naturally usually very frizzy. This I like because when you spray it on, it at first has kind of like that crunchy hairspray feel, and then I just kind of like do one of these to my hair to like zhuzh up the curls a little bit, but it dries down to feel like it says touchable. It's not crunchy at all. It just feels like my normal hair. There's a little texture to it because it's curly, but it's not crispy, crunchy at all. And I think that's one of the only hairsprays, finishing sprays, whatever you want to call it, that I have found that actually holds the curl. This is actually second day hair, believe it or not. It's held for over 24 hours now, and I did not retouch up with this morning. It just stayed. Without making my hair feel crunchy like a ramen noodle. So for that reason, I would highly recommend you guys test this out if you are looking for something that not only holds your hair in place while your styles, but does not cause crispy, crunchy hair. All right, now we're gonna move into nails. If you have not seen my latest video on how I do my manicures, I will leave that link down in the description box below. But my favorite nail product lately has been these by Halo Taco. So the Halo Taco is essentially the brand's goals are to create top coats that can make your regular nail polishes not be so boring. So I'm wearing the unicorn skin right now. Ignore my nail. I was very rough on my manicure at band camp. It's been like 2 weeks since I did these. But essentially that top coat is an iridescent coat that you can put on over top of any other polish. So you can have your cheap drugstore polish, but zhuzh it up a little bit with some of these iridescent multi-chrome colors on top of it, or with just a holographic topper. You guys might be able to see here down in the window what that looks like. But again, the brand name is Halo Taco, And it doesn't matter what nails I've been doing lately, I have been adding a hollow taco top coat to everything I've been doing in the last couple months. All right, I only have a few more items, not only because I didn't have that many favorites the last 2 months. Like I said, I haven't done that much beauty because I've just been at home, but also because I am trying out new lighting that I just got yesterday for my birthday. So I didn't want to film too long a video because I'm just kind of testing a new setup, and I want to see when I'm editing what the lighting looks like. If you guys want to chime in what you think compared to the lighting in my other videos, go ahead and leave that down below. Let me know, can you see, the colors and things on my face any better? Or does it literally look exactly the same? Let me know. So the next item I've been obsessed with is this. Now I know some of you are gonna say that is a torture device. Okay, but it's not if you practice and you get good at it. So this is an eyelash curler, just an old-fashioned eyelash curler. It's not any specific brand, it's just a nondescript eyelash curler. I really didn't think it did too much for the longest time, so I never really used it. But for whatever reason, I don't know why, I just started. I think I realized I was curling like straight on, and that's not really where I personally need curled. It's like the outer third of my lashes that seem to droop, so I realized if I repositioned instead of going straight on and just got the outer third of my lashes, that I actually was lifting them, and then if I was using good mascara, it would hold the curl. And I'm telling you, I've worn so much less eyeliner just because I want to let my lashes be the thing that stands out and shows their own natural beauty. And so lash curlers, I swear I don't think I can go back. I've curled my lashes almost every day, even if I don't wear makeup. I just love the little curl since I do have pretty nice natural lashes. So yeah, give eyelash curling a try. Maybe if you did in the past and you were into it, try repositioning and readjusting what you're doing. That's what I did, and now I love the effects I'm getting. Saves time with not applying falsies too. So my next to last item I've been loving the past few months is from BH Cosmetics, and this is the under eye brightening powder. So I have fine lines under my eyes, surprise, surprise. But this powder has been great, not only for brightening any dark circles, but I can powder concealer under my eyes and not look like a crepe under my eye, okay? So this is one of the only powders I have found that doesn't settle into my fine lines. It accentuates those fine lines under the eyes. I have tried a lot of translucent powders that are fine for mattifying the rest of the face, especially the T-zone, but usually they're not good for under my eye. They just make me look older, and this one has not done this. You only need a very small amount still to set underneath the eye, but this was very, very affordable. I think I got this on sale for maybe like $2. Comes with a really great puff as well. So if you're looking for something that's not going to crease and crinkle the under eye, possibly give you a little bit of brightening, I really, really recommend this under eye brightening powder from BH Cosmetics. Mine is in the shade Fair Light because, Casper. I did review that powder in a testing new BH Cosmetics video I did quite a while ago. If you're interested in that, I'll leave that link down below as well. Finally, the last item I have really, really been obsessing over, like love it even on a no makeup day, is this IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Top Brow Pencil. Now this was something in the Ulta travel kits that I had tested. I'll leave that video linked down below as well. And at first I was like, I don't know, because universal taupe, I don't think it actually would be universal for everyone. However, that being said, it is perfection for me. Perfection. Looks like my actual eyebrow, like uncanny. I have never found another pencil that matches my natural hair this well. And for that reason, it is a holy grail for me at this point. Not only that, but there's something about the pencil. I don't know what it is. I mean, the shape is not anything very special of the pencil there, but I think it's something about the fact that it's like, it's not too creamy, so it's not like rubbing everywhere, but it's also not too waxy. It like almost settles into this like powdery, satiny finish that is just perfect on my brows. I can also draw my tiny hairs upward towards the front end of my brow very naturally. I find I can be precise enough with this pencil that I'm not having to go in with concealer and cut out my brows to make them look sharp. They just naturally look sharp, which is great. And this spoolie is really nice, especially for the front end. If I do want to have that more like feathery, natural hair looking moment in the front, this is great. By the way, guys, while I have the spoolie here, random fact, if you have little baby hairs, you can use a spoolie to just kind of, you know, tame them and have them go down and not be, you know, all up in your face. So yeah, that was all of my beauty favorites from the months of June and July. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what have your favorites been this month. Thank you again so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you click that subscribe button before you go. If you're already subscribed, you can click the little notification bell and it will give you a notification every time I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays so you don't miss out on any future giveaways and content. Thanks so much for watching to the end of the video, guys, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye!